My name is Hunter and I am in my early 30s. I am married to my beautiful wife Lorena, and we have 3 mixed small babies, the oldest of which is only 3 years old. So you can kind of imagine how crazy it can be around our house sometimes. The median, which from my case is skulls, with skull carving, it actually has some meaning, generally speaking, or a memory associated with it. So whether it's a skull from an animal you harvested, or it's a skull you found in the woods, or you did some skull hunting, like I show in my videos, and you came across this great skull. Generally speaking, a skull has some memory or meaning attached to it. So then you get to combine that with your own personal style and character with the designs that you carve into it. I simply like to work with my hands. I like creating stuff, I like building stuff. So just the chance to take something from my head and work on it with my hands is, I really like doing that. I like to identify more with being a craftsman as opposed to an artist. I think the general perception of what an artist is someone who has kind of a natural born ability to create something, where a craftsman has more of this tendency of someone who they have a craft, they learn it, they apply themselves to it, over a period of time, and then they become really skilled in that craft. And I identify more with that just because everything you see me do pretty much is self-taught. There's a lot of work that's gone into it. I'm constantly learning. I love learning new stuff, and I'm applying that to my skull carving. I personally put a lot of my time into each of those. A lot of my skills that I've learned goes into creating the designs and making those replicas. People would rather purchase from an individual than just this inanimate company. I want everyone out there to know that there's a face behind the products and the services that I offer.